Although you can retrieve all documents and data directly from your Docspresso instance, you can also do so from your WordPress admin interface. If you hit in Docspresso SaaS, you will be redirected to this interface where you can access the data and documents generated by your end users. You may choose the template in many different ways, among the latest templates, search by name, etc. But well, here we have a list of the last used templates, and let's click on this one. And as you see, a full list of uses and documents are listed in the page. If, for example, we hit to download the document, we get the document generated by that particular use. We may also access directly the data, clicking on the data button, and we can even anchor this data to the Bitcoin blockchain, but that will be the subject matter of another video.